Welcome to the Magic Lantern Time Machine video. The process, part 3. Since there are many different programs for compiling videos, this video will briefly explain my method of drag and drop assembly in basic terms, applicable to most video software applications. Before starting assembly, I make sure I have all of the graphic images I need in the final folder, including titles, notices, and end credits. The application window has 3 main areas. The file area, where all the images go. The preview window, that shows the current video image on the timeline. And across the bottom, the timeline where segments of the video are lined up in a sequence to make the video. To get started, I select all the elements from the final folder, and then drag and drop them into the file area of the application. Next, I start dragging and dropping all of these graphic elements in a certain order onto the first timeline. Note the green check marks that show which elements are already on the timeline. Since all the elements are made up of still image graphics and not video, each one takes up about 12 seconds of time. This default of 12 seconds can be changed in the application. Some elements can be made shorter or longer by changing the duration of the element. The opening notes tend to be unreadable in 12 seconds and so can be extended. For instance, a graphic element with a longer description can be changed to 15 seconds or more, as needed to give the viewer time to read it before the next element appears. I carefully go through the elements to find any that might disappear too quickly to be read. Most, however, are fine at 12 seconds. In later episodes of the series, I began adding subtitles in white text to the bottom of each image just to identify the slide number and alternates. The software places the subtitles a little too high on the bottom of the graphic image, so I have to go in and change the subtitle positions to a spot just below the image. When adding a subtitle for a single alternate, I add the word alternate to the subtitle. When an element has more than one alternate slide, I label these alternates as alternate number 1, alternate number 2, and so on, as needed. When I am satisfied that all the elements of a video are in place, I proceed to click on the Export button and then name the file, after making certain it will be sent to the proper folder on the system. I also check to make sure that I am exporting the video in the right format, in the 1920 by 1080 pixel format. Thank you for following my Magic Lantern Time Machine series and process videos. Episode 36 will be the last of the 600 series, but I have hundreds more lantern slides in my collection that I am currently cataloging for future videos.